Alright, tonight we'll be testing a little buddy heater in a tent, and we're going to find out exactly how warm it is. I'm going to monitor it with a little device, and of course we'll do a little cooking, and we'll see how comfy we are sleeping out tonight. Let's get on with the video. I had to downsize because the other tent started disintegrating. It was pretty old. Plus I didn't have the right poles for it. So this is my other tent, which is a lot smaller. And hopefully it'll be big enough to do what I want to do. Well, that's wrong. Oops. Take two. Alright, tent's pretty minimal. It might just actually keep the rain out. We'll find out. Alright, I'm not monetized yet, so it'd be nice if you liked and subscribed. And I also have a link for the t-shirt below, and there's other t-shirts there if you're interested. See you around. Alright, come on in the tent. You can see it's pretty small. I think it's 6 feet by 6 feet on the base. Height is a little more than 4 feet. Don't know how much I'll be able to do in here because it is pretty small. And it's got a little pocket here to put your stuff in. You've got a little thing to hang stuff up here. So I mean, it's not bad. Onion and butter is already in. Hit and saute. And we'll be having Italian brats cooked in beer. And then we're gonna put it in a little marinade. While that's warming up, we can talk a little bit about what it's like to live with cancer. I have a lot of fatigue. That's my big problem. Tired all the time. Muscles get achy really easy just walking a half mile. But I'm going to try some more nutritional stuff, see if that helps. And so far, I'm feeling about the same. Not better, not worse. So maybe a little less pain. Alright. Things are starting to cook. Take a little break. I'm just going to share this with the bladder cancer not healing. The lining wasn't growing back for 6 months. They said it would grow back in a month. I asked the doctor and he kind of said, plenty of rest, eat right. I'm like, I'm doing that. So I Googled it. Don't tell the doctor you're Googling anything. It just makes them very angry. So I Googled it, and it seems that your healing will increase with the proper amount of vitamin A. And I knew I was vitamin D deficient, so I was up in the D already. But when I got more A, that's when the lining grew back. So I'm trying that again, trying to up the A. I'm using papaya. and a lot of carrots. And milk's got a lot of A and D in it, so it should really help. Just putting that out there. Anybody wants to know. That's it for now. Alright, got a little boil going here. I'm actually going to let it boil down a bit to improve the, or strengthen the beer flavor. Be right back. Alright, I just dumped some of the juice out because I don't want to get too runny. In goes the marinara. And I'm going to let it simmer a little bit. Alright, it's that time. Should I vent in the tent? Well, I'm feeling like living dangerously. Let's find out. Oh, that's not so bad. My whole tent is going to smell Italian and like beer. Phew, those sweats. Now we're getting fog. This is really a weird weather day. She's trying. There we go. Alright, turn to low. Little buddy's been on for a little bit. It's pumping out the heat. It's very nice in here. For those who want the numbers, here they are. We're already up to 62 degrees. CO is 0. CO2 is 600. No, 700. Alright, I'll have to keep an eye on that. There's not a lot of wind right now, so could build up in the tent. Yeah. Well, good night for now. Thank you for watching the show so far, and we'll see you in the morning. Good morning. Great sleeping outdoors. All this fresh air, everything worth it. But before we get going, it's definitely a hat day. That bed hair. Let's take a look, see what we got going outside. It's a clear day. Be nice out. Alright. Little buddy kept the tent pretty warm last night using this 1 pound propane tank, but it only ran for 4 hours on low, which is 1500 BTUs. If you want more economical, longer running, then I recommend a 20-pound tank. This will run for 108 hours on low. Looks like I picked up a little frost last night. Yeah, we were below 32, about 29 was the official temperature. So, thanks for watching, and I got places to be and things to do.